Hey everyone, my name is Jeff and I'll be walking you through step by step exactly what we'll be doing here today, and our friend Taylor will be demonstrating the process as we go along. First, let's start out at the bagging station. This is where we'll actually fill each bag with the ingredients that will make up each meal. First things first, we all need you to put on your very stylish hairnets. Even if you don't have any hair, go ahead and put one on because they're pretty awesome. Now once your hairnet is on, go ahead and wash your hands with a hand sanitizer that's supplied in the various locations around the room. Next up are the gloves. Everyone at the tables that's in contact with open food must wear gloves. Now that we're all suited up, let's get to work. There are 5 different jobs at every food bagging station. The first is the bag holder. This person will take a brand new bag, open it up, and then place it under the funnel. When you do that, make sure to keep a good grip on the bag with both hands. Now the first food item that we'll be adding is going to be dehydrated vegetables. These will add nutritional value to the meal as well as flavor and color. Make sure you get a nice even scoop and then pour that into the funnel. Next up is the vitamin powder. This provides 21 essential vitamins and minerals to the meal while providing additional flavor as well. Make sure to level the scoop with the provided plastic knife and then add that ingredient to the funnel. Soy protein is the next ingredient that goes in. We want to make sure and get a good heaping scoop of this, so don't be afraid to dig down and fill that cup up. Pound for pound, the soy has 3 times more protein than red meat. It's really good stuff and we want to make sure it gets in there. The last ingredient that we'll be adding to the bag is rice. Make sure this is the last ingredient because in just a minute, we're going to take these bags to the scale and we're going to be adding or removing rice to get the weight within the acceptable range. We'll grab a level scoop of rice, then add it to the funnel. The food bagger will then remove the bag from the funnel and place it in the bin. Once the bin is full, we'll take the bin over to the weighing station. At the weighing station, our first step is to make sure the scale is turned on. You'll then need to set it to grams and make sure it's at 0 with the basket sitting on it. The weight we're looking for here is between 390 and 395 grams. If the weight is under 390, we'll add more rice. If it's over 395, then we'll scoop some out until we're within that range. Once we have the correct weight, the bags are put in a separate bin. Once the bin is full, it's then passed on to the sealers. Each heat sealer's dial should be set to 3 or less. The important thing to remember is that we want to get as much air out of the bag as possible and then seal it close to the dotted line. Pull the arm down until the light goes out, verify that the bag is sealed, and then pass it on to the boxing table. The boxing table has 18 squares. Place 2 completed bags on each square for a total of 36 bags on the grid. But before we fill the box, we need to put 2 dates on it. Today's date and the expiration date 3 years from the packing date. We then place 36 bags flat, 4 to each level, tape that box shut, and you've just completed 216 meals. Hey, thanks for following along with me. We appreciate your time. If any of this went over your head or maybe you didn't catch some of the details, that's no problem. Just make sure to find your table captain, ask them, and they can fill in any of the details you might have missed. We want you to know that we're truly grateful for your willingness to partner with us to help feed hungry families around the world.